a new, brand new shiny separator in Georgia, baby. Ricochet 1207 Philly with that way.
Hello out there, DXLN. Happy 4th of July. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave. Maybe install a little fan.
Donkey Stomper, hello, Chad.
Gets a little Hello, 1207. Good evening time, Mr. 1207. Happy 4th of July to you and yours. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Hey, Chad, the conditions are good. You picked a good time to be out here. Hey, Beavis, you're sounding good. Just a big bass, standing by.
Hey, 1207. Appreciate you coming back, man. Happy 4th of July. Hello, Trinitron 9. Hello, Pistol Grip. Happy 4th of July to both you guys. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave. Definitely gonna let this can cool down a little bit. I've been threatening on doing it there for a few minutes, so we'll step aside, let her cool down, and sure, your friend up here in this pretty hot, smelly trash can in New York there. We'll catch you again another time.
Hey, Chad, he's walking on Georgia coming. Tennessee just hopped over Georgia now, Brink.
Nah, we ain't trying to walk on nobody, man. Just gonna tell everybody Happy 4th of July. Hey, 1207, just gonna tell everybody Happy 4th of July on this old broken down Donkey Stomper Wave.
Bye.
Excuse me, 018. Keep my number straight tonight. I'm trying to run back and forth to the grill.
1207 was Donkey Stomper, and his checks and Ricochet, no wing.
Hey, 1207, sounding good in Tennessee once again, my friend. And hello, Oscar the Grouch. Oscar the Grouch, Happy 4th of July to you, my friend. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Needing the good time.
Hey there, Donkey Stomper. I heard you in there. Heard you in there, Donkey Stomper, so I gotta get back to you there. Your friend up there in his trash cans wishing you a happy 4th of July, no question about it, Oscar the Grouch. We're waving right back. All right, Oscar Grouch, have a happy 4th of July, you and yours, man. Appreciate you hollering. Go for NT 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
There he is, I'll tell you, that Donkey Stomper. This is the way it skips.
I gotta go take care of the company.
My friend down there at 018. Yeah, like today, man. Skip was falling deep, and I can always hear him coming in. Ain't nothing like Tennessee. Still coming into Pennsylvania. Bring
Radios, cleaning out radios. I'm trying to clean out some radios because y'all keep cleaning out my radio. I'm trying to clean out radios because y'all keep cleaning out my radio. Trinitron 9, rocking and rolling. Hello. Hey, 1207, I heard it all when you said it all. Trinitron 9, I hear you. T9, cleaning out radios. Happy 4th of July, Mr. Trinitron 9, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
I tell everybody today, man, I'm working these show guns built in Texas, and I got my Donkey Stomper, my 018 Beavis built amp right about now, and I'm shooting skip up and down the coast, and it's Florida, and over to the west now, speaking at you and a couple other fellas in Tennessee. It's been a gangbuster day out here, just like it used to be. Ain't nobody but 1207 Philadelphia back quiet.
Hey, 1207, you're doing a good job, man. There's a bunch in there, and it's rough and tough. You'll see it on the video gate, and you're coming through. 1207, sounding good in Tennessee. Once again, my friend, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
801, could you say 250? 801, could you say 2 slow around these big trees?
Hey, 250, man. Happy 4th of July, 250, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Maybe come back and forth like that there, Mike.
Hey, Beavis, happy 4th of July, 167.
Hurry up a little bit there, Mike.
Hey, Pistol Grip, Pistol Grip. Happy 4th of July right back to you, man. Appreciate you hollering. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Right back there, sir. Right back. Just wishing a happy 4th of July. I'm back right. Yeah, sound like I was on song there, Chad.
Around these big trees. Everybody just got down.
And I'm wondering, did I get rid of that swing in my radio?
29, we need more video gates out there. Skip that 29. We need more video gates out there in DX land. I was putting a 4-on-1 holiday wave on Beavis. Your pistol just went bang. Hey, Pistol Grip, if he can hear you, tell 29 that 018 Beavis said Happy 4th of July. I'm standing by.
Ricochet, you saw it.
The swing in the moment. Beavis wanted to roll with lemon. Man, I don't know. Here, Big Pal, this is people on the channel. First one.
In Trinitron 9, right in there with you.
Hey, Ricochet, this steel hammer don't like crowds. Hey, Ricochet, 250 said this steel hammer don't...
Bang, my steel hammer.
I got Pistol Grip, I got Trinitron 9, I got 1207 right now. All at the same time there. Breaker?
Stomper and that one's real smart, man. I'm letting it swing there, break.
Ain't no name, I appreciate it, my friend. Ain't no name, I appreciate it, my friend. You have a good rest of the day yourself. Ain't no name, I do appreciate it. And 018, I hear you still in Coney Island also. Trinitron 9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island.
That's what I'm talking about.
Trinitron 9 just got down in Tennessee.
You know what? You got a copy on me on these elements, these four oranges. Number 3 video game roller, your 4th of July, number 3 in motion.
Oh yeah, 1207, I got you, man. There's just a bunch in there, but I got you about every time you key up, 1207. And that's Roger. Trinitron 9 playing in the water. Bye.
Yeah, how about you, Beavis? 29. Ricochet, double 6.
Hey, 1207, you're in here the whole time, man. Just a bunch of big hammers in there. 1207, once again, my friend sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
I hear you, Chad. I said I got the number 3 video game roller. I got the number 3 4th of July video game roller. A pistol just went bang on the range. I had somebody out there complaining, probably I didn't have too much of a carrier. He doesn't understand how you're able to swing roll an amplifier. Told me I sound like I was on the man. That's the first person all day to tell me that. There's been somebody that told me, right, Roger?
1207, I don't see nothing wrong with it down here in Tennessee there, Break.
Yeah, you're making it right over Ricochet, Chad. You're first person all day.
Hey, just Mother Nature. Ricochet's got a big old hammer, man, but I appreciate the good word. Go for 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Sounding good as always, Chad. Hey, Chad, sounding good as always. 1207, working East Texas built. 4-element, Joe Guns. And of course, my Beavis built 018.
Sure was an afternoon.
Philadelphia.
425
Guns right now. Have a great day, my friend.
Good. All right, 1207, you have a good evening, man. We're going to sit by here just a few more minutes running a video game, then I'm supposed to go eat me some steak. Come on. You got quiet. Rocking and rolling.
It's the 2-minute zone. I'm in the 2-minute zone. The 2-minute zone of video game number 3. Getting tough, my friend.
Trinitron 9's rocking and rolling in there, and Pistol Grip said he's in the 2-minute zone. Letting you know.
Ricochet, 149, New Jersey.
Hey, Ricochet, I'm gonna clean out your...
Hello, 149 New Jersey, 149 New Jersey, 018 Tennessee Beach, Donkey Stomper, 4th of July Wave.
Tony Ellen. Pennsylvania, wishing you and yours, and then especially happy 4th of July. Take care. Mini state declare. Tri-State Radio Club Breaker.
Hey, Ricochet, all I could do is what I could do. Hey, Ricochet.
Yeah, but Coleman gotta be
Yo, I'm around these big trees and I just got down.
Well, you're the first one to complain.
Trinitron 9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron 9, rocking and rolling in Tennessee, letting you know, man.
And Watergate to me, and they all said I sound good, and I heard the playback on you.
I hear somebody in the bullpen. That's what I'm doing is rocking and rolling.
You gotta change the channel, sir. We don't adjust our transmitters.
Hey, that sound like a tie. Hey, that sound pretty...
I sound like Pistol on the range was on. had to tell a couple of my locals that at once.
So get back on 555.
99 cents a big bag.
Hey, 555, I heard you in there, man, in between everybody. 555, happy 4th of July, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
99 cents a big bag. 29.
Hello out there, Cold Man. Hey, Cold Man, happy 4th of July, buddy, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Sounding good, Chad. I'm back on the ground.
Just send him the water jet, man.
Hey, Beavis, if you get a chance, roll in on the Code Man for 425, man.
You think they know who they talk?
Hey, Cold Man, if you can hear me, 425 said happy 4th of July when we rolled nickel, and I rolled that nickel, Cold Man.
Man, I said hello, Chad. Ain't nobody but 12.
Cold Man 1207 said hello. Everybody's saying hello to you, Mr. Cold Man. Happy 4th of July. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Hey, 08 Tennessee, could you say 250 Big Trees? 08 Tennessee, 250 with the steel hammer. And I just...
Hey, 250, Steel Hammer, 250, Big Trees. Happy 4th of July, 250, 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Got it all, big brother, because you said it all. 250 with the steel hammer around these big trees.
Yeah, 1207, I got you on the video gate.
Mr. Ricochet in Georgia, Maple Man with the wave.
Hello, Maple Man, 018 Tennessee Beavis, 4th of July Wave. Beavis is laying it down over your head, I got it on the gate. You did? I got Ricochet in my ear hole, but can I get back in your ear hole? Hey, 018, the man with the breaker. I'm good now. Hey, Trinitron 9, you're in here. T9, you're in here, man, I got you on the video gate, Trinitron 9.
You ain't got a thing unless it's got that swing, breaker.
You said you got me in the video gate and I'm in there? You said you got me in there and you got me in the video gate? I'll see you. Best shame on the mission.
Ricochet, you smoking Philly break.
Yeah, we just got a bunch of people in there, a bunch of big hammers out there, a bunch of big people out there swinging them 4th of July hammers. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper Wave.
Donkey Stomper making a lot of noise in the Northeast.
018 Donkey Stomper.
And the donkey just went stomp.
Well, somebody tell Ricochet I said happy 4th of July. Somebody tell Ricochet in Georgia that 018 saying happy 4th of July.
Northeast corner with. Hey, Beavis, I could try to tell him, Beavis. Hey, Beavis, I could try to tell him. Hey, Beavis, I could try to tell Ricochet happy 4th of July to you, Beavis, but it's rough trying to get in his radio. It's a train wreck. You're 127 on the pistol range, one bang.
Well, I heard you, Pistol Grip. I heard you anyway. Appreciate it.
Roger, right on, Ricochet. I'm just rolling that friendly for my friend Chad over. Hey, Ricochet, I'm just rolling it for Beavis. You got it, I'm gone. 828 in the video gate. I got you, Ricochet in Georgia. I got you, Ricochet. 614 with the Big Apple wave.
250 back quiet.
Yeah, I'm rolling now. Trinitron 9 rolling now. I'm sitting back in the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm rolling now.
825, that was 127, not 828. 825, that was 127, not 828. 25.
Hey, Ricochet, to 127, 250, put that steel hammer on him. Ricochet, 250, back quiet.
Yeah, I come riding the wave, walking on all this water. Hey, 018, can you hear my radio? T9, that was all you riding away, walking on the water down here in Tennessee.
Quiet.
018 Beavis. Still blowing smoke? 07, mighty fine. I got myself a donkey stomper, a set of Joe guns, and I'm talking on 28, breaker.
Hey, Trinitron 9 sounding good, 1207, you coming here like gangbusters, got you as both. 018 Tennessee Beavis, donkey stomper wave.
Hello, Troy. I got a number of Chad Jones. I got a donkey stomper, making all that noise coming into Philadelphia.
Pretty well, so it ain't just everybody else. Hey, 018, you getting a piece of the Coney Yellow radio, Trinitron 9, rocking and rolling. Yeah, them boys getting a piece of the Coney Island radio, Trinitron 9, you got Mother Nature today, man. Sounding real good. I hope you're having a good 4th of July. 018 Tennessee Beavis waving.
1207 in the snow with that 25. I'm ducking, man. Let's go.
No complaining. Hey, 018, the man with his hand in the what it just got down.
Hello, DX Land. Hello, DX Land. Hello, DX Land. 1207 in a Keystone with the wave.
Calm down. Put his feet up in his chair. He said he got to calm down and put his feet up in his chair.
1207 in a Keystone, and I'm back quiet.
Still all you. Hey, 25 deep in the south.
Alrighty, everybody. I got to get off here. Better Half's got steaks cooked. I'm going to go eat me a big old steak. Y'all have a good one. Happy 4th of July to everybody on the channel. From 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper, 4th of July wave. Bye.
Bye, Chad. Catch you later, Mr. Donkey Stomper. Bye.
See you too.